the Brooks Bees with the best of 3:33.82. And then 3:35 here last year. Pauline Sullivan. The best of 3:33.58. And then here in 2024, we're going to stay alone. John Renwicki. Representing Bandit, 3:36.91. Austin Dawkins. Representing Kenya and the University of Arkansas with the best of 3:33.17. The SEC champion, Ryan Masai. Representing Nike with the best of 3:36.69. A four-time U.S. finalist, a two-time NCAA runner-up in the steeple, Duncan Hamilton. Next up on the track for Brooks, men's 50 diamond. Those baseline set at 3:32.
Right in there, Carter, right in!
Here we go, Carter!
Come on, Austin. He was like, I'm just gonna get right up there.
That's the new one? The hopper disco?
They just have a repeat, they have this one, just new, and then they have that one.
Kind of looks like mountain. Kind of looks like mountain.
Oh, okay.
I think it's supposed to, but...
It's supposed to be like... Yeah, Carter's dog that he was pretty fast with his backs. He was like, oh, he's gonna go second.
That's the blue light.
Once again, those lights at
That's green, what's green,
Blue lights is where I'm pretty sure the noise should be. Green lights.
They set the standard they're going to get, and then they set the lights.
Well,
I'm sure they set it really fast. It comes right on it.
Nice, Carter! You got this, Carter!
Yeah, I just knew I was losing ground on those. I was just thinking I was fine, and then like it felt like practice, and then all of a sudden I was closer than I thought I was. And maybe it's just
Closer
that,
on the barriers.
like
Yeah,
on every
it looked
barrier,
like you
I was
were
just
so
approaching
close.
so far on it. And so I felt myself just stop and roll and then go again. So fitness-wise,
So how, Sarah did?
yeah.
Yeah, she normally runs 10 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 2, and 10:4 today.
153 on that second lap.
Not too bad, not too far away from that much.
Let's go, Carter! Nice!
You're alone!
Dude, that's brave.
I like it. I like it.
Go, Duncan!
Right with it. The rabbit just can stay on. He doesn't fit down.
He looked around. He saw his clear.
They're gonna hunt. They're gonna start to hunt. But Ryan told him to really commit to 500 out. I think. Come on, Carter. They're gonna come. He's a tall guy. Really second.
I think you slip off those lights.
33 maybe. 3:33? Getting close.
58 on that third lap.
252, 253 there.
Hold him on! Let's go, Carter! Catch the light! They're tired, Carter! Yeah, boy! Yeah, Carter! Get it!
Quick turnover. Quick turnover. Come on, come on.
He's got to know it's...
He can get so wrong with it.
He's got to know that not everybody's catching him. He's just got to stay out there. Come on, one more gear! That boy, like, he's holding on. Yeah, look at that. He's so good. Oh my goodness, let's go. Come on, come on.